keep your vegetables fresh longer. Yes, nothing hurts more than buying a fresh vegetables only to see them spoil before you use them. Hello lovelies, welcome back to Life with Amara. So my love, today we are not cooking, we are not sharing any recipe. Yes, today I'm sharing something every mom or even every person who spends time in the kitchen needs to know. Yes, we all want to save time or even reduce stress and make cooking easier. So today I'm giving you 5 simple and powerful kitchen hacks. Yes, every mom should know. Trust me, these kitchen tricks will change the way you cook and keep your kitchen running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Hack 1. Keep your vegetables fresh longer. Yes, nothing hurts more than buying a fresh vegetables only to see them spoil before you use them. I have seen some persons store bell peppers in the freezer and I will be like, how? Like, for me, I don't like to store especially bell peppers in the freezer, because when you bring it out it becomes very soft. It won't be crunchy. I like my bell pepper to be crunchy. So how are you going to do this? A quick hack here is to wrap the leafy greens like bell peppers, lettuce, spinach, ugu. Wrap them in a paper towel before putting them inside the plastic bag or container in the fridge. The paper towel will help absorb the extra moisture that usually makes them rot quickly. This way your veggies stay fresh for up to a week or even more than. Imagine the money you have saved already. Hack 2. Peel garlic in seconds. This one works perfectly, especially if you are making food in a very large quantity. Garlic gives food amazing flavor, but peeling it can be a hard work. Here is a hack for you. Put the garlic cloves into a jar, cover it with a lid and shake it hard. I mean hard, for 20 seconds. The peel will loosen and fall off easily. No more struggling with sticky fingers. This works perfectly well if you are making a big batch of stew, soup or even jollof rice. Hack 3. Stop your pot from boiling over. You know that frustrating moment when you are boiling rice, pasta or yam and the water keeps bubbling over? To stop that mess, okay, just place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot. Somehow it breaks the bubbles and keeps the water from spilling over. It's so simple and it works like magic. This hack has saved me plenty of cleaning time. Hack 4. Keep leftover rice soft. Yes, have you noticed how leftover rice sometimes gets dry and hard in the fridge? Yes, here is the simple solution for it. You put them in the pot to reheat it, okay? Just sprinkle few drops of water on the rice and cover it with a plastic or lid before microwaving or steaming. During this process, you can even skip the part of microwaving it. Steaming it with the pot with that little water is enough. You don't need to microwave it. Steaming it with the pot is perfectly fine. Just make sure it is on a low heat. The water which you have added on it creates steam that softens the rice again, making it taste fresh, just like the day you cooked it. No more wasted rice. This is interesting, right? Hack number 5. Store tomato paste without waste. How are you going to do this? Many times we open tomato paste, use just 1 spoon and then forget it in the fridge until it goes bad. That is not good. Here is the hack for you. Scoop the leftover paste into an ice cube tray, okay? Freeze it, and once frozen, transfer the cubes into a Ziploc bag. Okay, next time you need a little tomato paste, take 1 cube and drop it straight into your stew or soup. No waste. And it keeps it fresh always. Yes, do not waste your tomato paste. You can actually store them in the freezer. You have it, my lovely. Simple, quick kitchen hacks that every mom or every other person should know. They save time, money, and keep cooking stress-free. So my love, tell me, which of these hacks was your favorite? And do you have any kitchen tricks of your own? Drop them in the comment section below, because I would love to try them out. Why not? So lovelies, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share for more food, lifestyle and friendly family tips. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.